So, progress report. If you saw my last video about how I used Geegpay to create a dollar card and used it for AliExpress and all of that, you would know that I've been expecting some items from AliExpress. So they finally arrived and I want to show you one of them, just one. So this is a case I got from AliExpress. I've been looking for a Pixel 7 Pro case for like the longest time, but for some weird reason, I couldn't find a really good one in Nigeria. Before now, I had this one that is, it gets dirty over time and it's rubber, so I didn't really like it much. And then I got this one from a friend who owns a shop in Computer Village. He also sold my Pixel 7 Pro to me, by the way. So I got this one from him for free, but I think he got it from AliExpress as well. I'm not sure, I'm just assuming. This is plastic, pretty solid, and yeah, it doesn't get stained easily. And then there's this one, which I've been eyeing for the longest time. It's a yellow case, plastic, has a magnetic metal here that you can basically, hook to a wall. And then this is the handle. So this is the one I'm using currently. Freaking amazing. If you're looking for more cases, you can check them out on AliExpress. I'm going to leave a link to these cases in the description of this video. But yeah, Geegpay dollar card works for AliExpress, and yeah, I was able to use Geegpay dollar card to get these. I'll see you around.